In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Chrome version quickly and easily so you can keep your browser running smoothly, securely, and with the latest features. Updating Chrome is important because it helps fix bugs, improves performance, and protects you with the newest security updates. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you'll find all the browser settings and tools. From the menu, hover over or click Help, then select About Google Chrome. This is the section Chrome uses to check your current version and look for updates automatically. As soon as you open the About page, Chrome will begin checking for updates on its own. If an update is available, it will start downloading it right away. You do not need to search for the update manually or install anything complicated. Just wait for Chrome to finish downloading the latest version. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take just a few moments. Once the update is downloaded, Chrome will usually prepare the new version automatically. When everything is ready, you'll see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and apply the update. After Chrome reopens, you'll be running the latest version of the browser. That means you should now have the newest security fixes, performance improvements, and feature updates installed. If Chrome says it's already up to date, then you're good to go and there's nothing else you need to do. So to recap, open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, open About Google Chrome, let Chrome check and download the update, and then click Relaunch. It's that simple. If this video helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.